All right, everybody, this is your last day of fourth grade reading e-learning. And what you're going to need for today is your in the game passage that we've been working with. And you should have exported the character change document. So we're going to be talking about the main character, Corey, in this passage and how he changes. Remember, we're still using that race strategy, so restate the question, then you're going to answer it, and as necessary, you're going to provide details from the passage to support your reasoning and your thinking. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get you started for each of the questions, and we're going to kind of go about discussing them. Again, a strategy, pause the video after each question and answer it. So the first question says, when Corey is waiting in line at the Foot Palace, what does he want? How does he feel when he gets it? So the first thing we're going to do is restate our question. Make my text box a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so when Corey is waiting in line, again, I'm restating the question, at the Foot Palace, put that comma because it's an introductory phrase, he wants, and you're going to have to fill in what he wants, okay? And I'm not going to give you that answer. I want you to go back in the text and find it. Second part to this question, how does he feel when he gets it? When he gets, again, you're going to have to tell me what he's getting because that's the first part of the question. He feels, and then you're going to give me a feeling word. And then when it says explain, that's when we're going to have to provide that text evidence, because in the text, and then you're going to have to tell me what happened in the text. How did you know how he felt? So question 1 is a two-parter. First part, when Corey is waiting in line at the Foot Palace, it's always good to go back and reread your answers too. So when Corey is waiting in line at the Foot Palace, comma, he wants, you first need to tell me what does he want. And then the second part to this question, when he gets, again, what he wants, you have to tell me, how does he feel? So he feels, pick a feeling word, happy, sad, mad, angry, joyous, any of those feeling words. And then the big part about that question is because in the text, you need to give me text evidence to support the feeling word you selected. So that's question 1. So if you would like to pause, here's a good time to pause and answer question 1. Question 2. How does Corey react when he sees who made the basketball tournament team? What does he do in response? Make my text box again. Okay. How does Corey react when he sees who made the basketball tournament team? Corey reacts by, and you have to tell me what he does. This is what he does when he sees who made the basketball tournament team. So again, the first part of this question, you have to tell me how Corey reacts. That's what that line there is. Corey reacts by what? What does he do? Okay? What does he do in response? So in response, Corey, and you have to tell me what Corey does. Okay? So question 2, you have to tell me how Corey reacts when he sees who made the team, and then what he does in response to that reaction. Question number 3. Oh, sorry about that. Text box. Why does Corey feel bad during the tournament? What happened to make it worse? How does Corey solve the problem? So let's start by text box. Text box on the loose. All right, first part of this question. Why does Corey feel bad during the tournament? So Corey feels bad during the tournament because, and you have to tell me, oh, not because, okay, Corey feels bad during the tournament because, tell me why he's feeling bad. So that's the first part. Part 2, what happened to make it worse? It is made worse because, so you're going to tell me what makes it worse. And then, how does Corey solve the problem? Corey solves this problem by, and you have to tell me what Corey does. So this one's kind of a 3-parter. So first part of this question, you're going to tell me why Corey's feeling bad during the tournament. Second part, how he makes it worse. And then the third part, how does he finally solve the problem? All right. Question 4. What do you think Corey's solution reveals about his character? Now again, this is an opinion question, but you have to justify it. You are allowed to think whatever you want about Corey's character, but you have to be able to support it with some reasoning. Okay, so what do you think? I think Corey's solution reveals he is what? Okay, so you have to tell me what you learn about his character and then support it because in the text, and give me some text evidence to justify what you think about Corey. Okay? Last one. Do you think Corey found a good solution to his problem? Again, this is an opinion one, so you just have to be able to justify your answer. So, I think Corey did find a good solution. Or, I'm going to put this slash here because you have 2 choices here. You could say, I think Corey did find a good solution, or you could say, didn't find a good solution. Because, and this is the key part to this question, you have to justify why you think that. Okay? So again, today, you're wrapping up your work with looking at Corey, looking at his choices, his problems, the decisions he makes, and then you're going to answer 5 questions like we just went over with the race strategy. And when you're done with that, you also have some independent reading, and you have a form to fill out for that. If you have questions or need help, you can Canvas message me, you can email me, whatever works for you to get a hold of me, and I'd be happy to help you. Again, Miss Ellen will be doing a Zoom at 10 for anyone that wants extra help. You have specials at 11:10, so you have a Zoom then. Our class Zoom is at 12. Again, just to get together, do something fun, see each other's faces. And then if you still have missing work and you are struggling to find it or to complete it, I am having a Zoom at 2 o'clock if you need help. All right, everyone. Do your best work and be well.